Ever tried sending or receiving money internationally and hit a roadblock because you didn't know the right bank code? Specifically, have you ever wondered what exactly is the SWIFT code of Ally Bank? If that's you, you're in the right place. Let's demystify this crucial piece of banking information. In today's interconnected world, international money transfers are more common than ever. Whether you're paying a vendor overseas, sending money to family abroad, or receiving payments from international clients, you'll likely encounter the term SWIFT code. But what is the SWIFT code, and why is it so important? More importantly, if you're an Ally Bank customer, how do you find their specific SWIFT code? Before we dive into Ally Bank's SWIFT code, let's understand the basics. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It's a global messaging network that financial institutions use to securely and efficiently send and receive information, particularly for international wire transfers. Think of it as a universal language for banks worldwide. A SWIFT code, also known as a BIC, Bank Identifier Code, is an 8 or 11-character code that identifies a specific bank and its location. It's essential for ensuring your international money transfers reach the correct destination. Why do you need a SWIFT code? Well, without it, international money transfers can get lost, delayed, or even rejected. Imagine sending a large sum of money to the wrong bank because of a missing or incorrect code. That's a nightmare scenario, and SWIFT codes are designed to prevent such mishaps. They ensure that your money travels safely and directly to the intended recipient. Now, let's focus on Ally Bank. Ally Bank is an online-only bank known for its competitive interest rates, no monthly maintenance fees, and user-friendly digital platform. But when it comes to international wire transfers, you'll need their SWIFT code. This is where things can get a little tricky. Because Ally Bank primarily operates within the United States, and domestic wire transfers don't require SWIFT codes, the information isn't always readily available on their main website. So, what is the SWIFT code for Ally Bank? Here's the key information. Ally Bank itself doesn't have its own unique SWIFT code for receiving international wire transfers directly. Instead, they utilize a correspondent bank for these transactions. This means that when you need to receive an international wire transfer into your Ally Bank account, the sender will need to use the SWIFT code of Ally Bank's correspondent bank. This correspondent bank is typically the bank that Ally Bank partners with to facilitate international transactions. Therefore, you won't find a dedicated alias code. You'll need to use the information of the partner bank. This is a common practice for many online banks that don't have a large international presence. How do you find the correct information? The best way to get the precise SWIFT code and instructions for receiving international wire transfers into your Ally Bank account is to contact Ally Bank's customer service directly. They can provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding their correspondent bank and the necessary SWIFT code. Calling them or using their online chat feature is the most reliable method. When contacting Ally Bank, be sure to ask for the following information: the SWIFT code of their correspondent bank, the correspondent bank's name and address, any specific instructions or additional information required for the wire transfer. Having this information readily available will help ensure a smooth and successful international money transfer. It's important to understand that international wire transfers can involve fees, both from the sending bank and the receiving bank. Ally Bank may also charge a fee for receiving international wire transfers. Be sure to inquire about any potential fees before initiating the transfer. This will help you avoid any unexpected costs. Additionally, keep in mind that international wire transfers can take several business days to process, depending on the banks involved and the countries involved. Plan your transfers accordingly, especially if you need the funds to arrive by a specific date. In summary, while Ally Bank doesn't have its own dedicated SWIFT code, they utilize a correspondent bank for international wire transfers. To obtain the correct SWIFT code and instructions, contact Ally Bank's customer service directly. They will provide you with the necessary information to ensure a successful international money transfer. Understanding SWIFT codes and how they work is crucial for anyone involved in international money transfers. It's a key piece of the puzzle that ensures your money reaches its destination safely and efficiently. By taking the time to understand the process and obtaining the correct information, you can avoid costly mistakes and delays. Remember, when dealing with international finances, accuracy is paramount. Double-check all the information, including the SWIFT code, the account number, and the recipient's name and address. Even a small error can lead to significant problems. So, take your time, be thorough, and don't hesitate to seek assistance from your bank if needed. This knowledge is important for anyone using an online bank, like Ally, that may not have the standard brick-and-mortar infrastructure. Knowing how these electronic banks handle international transactions is key to navigating the modern financial world. So, if you're planning an international wire transfer to or from your Ally bank account, remember to contact their customer service for the most accurate and up-to-date information. It's the best way to ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.